All right, guys, what's up? It's me, Packy, with the house, and today I'm bowling Chris Forey. We got a special little challenge today. We're both gonna bowl with our opposite hand. He decided to be gracious to me. I'm not gonna have to bowl one-handed righty.
Boo!
I get lucky, I get to bowl two-handed righty. Hopefully I can keep him on the lane, but definitely no promises. And you said you had something for me.
I have this nice check for your PBA sponsorship for the 2022 season. If I beat you, I keep the check. You beat me, you earn the check.
I'm gonna need to win this because otherwise I'm not going on tour. All right, let's get into it. Oh yeah, so one more thing. We are also giving away a ball in this video, courtesy of Chris Forey and Buddy's Pro Shop, but we're trying to fix this number down here. So the two rules are you gotta be a subscriber, and the second rule is you gotta wait till the middle of the video to see the other rule. So be sure to check out the whole video, and that way you can stick around and see the rules for this free bowling ball giveaway that we're running in the middle of the video. And until then, let's get to frame one.
That's one. That's one.
That's a purple hammer and left hand.
I'm screwed. Yeah, but if we could pull up the practice scores so we know that this isn't a regular occurrence. Well, these are the warm-up scores. 130 to 140.
Yeah, 140 and 130 weren't good. Oh, that's got a chance though. Oh.
All right.
Did you create some carry down already?
Too many shots with the plastic ball. Too many. Too many.
Odds on making the 1-2, everybody. Post down below. Odds on making the 1-2.
Yeah, we're gonna go with like a 40%, maybe less.
Oh, that's got a chance.
100, here I come. Anything above 100, I'll be happy with.
I think you can beat 100. I got you. I figure I got to shoot 150 to beat you.
I shot like 130 or 140 in the practice game. That's about right. I might not strike though. I gotta move on this lane. This lane obviously hooks more.
That's a lot of 7.
It was close to 3, also close to 1.
I thought you were gonna get 3. All right, odds on making the 136.
Slim to none.
Did you go back up?
Yeah, baby.
You went back up. I'm in trouble.
That's 2 filled frames. All about the spare game.
All right.
True lefty.
I've realized what every lefty needs is a purple hammer.
Ain't that the truth?
Oh, that could be a double.
Oh my God, I needed that.
He even clipped the thumb hole.
I needed that so bad.
Man, that was not a good swing.
Is there any 200 bonus today?
200 bonus. You shoot 200, I'll throw an extra 500 on your check.
Oh, can we give away a ball to the fans too?
Sure.
That's pretty good.
We can do that. We'll give a free ball, but they have to guess your score.
Okay.
And they're 2 frames in, so they have a little bit of an idea that you're on pace for like a 140.
A 140, all right.
No!
What a bad break.
I would tell you I'd throw 2 hands at this, like 1 on each, but I can't even do that. I'm gonna go for the 10.
Safe.
I was gonna say, this would probably be the one time I make a 7-10 split in my life. So Packy's got the early lead, technically. Technically.
I mean, technically.
That's pretty good.
Oh, I need those hits.
What the? You set me up. I thought I was setting you up, and you set me up.
I got a 7, an 8, a 9. See, but mine are like lucky breaks. Yours are bad luck. You 6-pinned, you 7-10'd.
I would tell you I'm going to adjust for those, but I don't even know where I'm standing.
I'm lining up because I know my miss room is so big that I have to line up to keep it on the lane.
That's pretty good too. What the heck?
I was nervous about it hooking too much.
All right, folks. He's 3 for 3 on spare shooting.
I'm on my way to that 200 game we've talked about.
He's trying to get that bonus of $500.
It's just, I know it's not going to happen.
That'd be a really good steakhouse dinner. A little lobster tail.
It'd be a steakhouse dinner for a couple of us. I need to move a little left. Last time this lane hooked.
You're right-handed, you had to move your feet. And then every bad shot gets you 7.
What can I say? I'm just that lucky.
What did it feel like to have to move your feet?
I mean, I got 7, not good.
Do you ever move your feet on the left?
Well, that's what happened this weekend. Like, you shoot a couple bad games and then you move your feet like twice, and then you just stay there the rest of the day and average like 240. All right.
Look at this. Oh my God. I cannot believe
3
this.
for 3. I swear it wasn't a setup.
Oh,
Brooklyn. Oh. See? Your bad shots get 9.
that was really bad. I thought it was getting 3.
I'm seeing.
That's good. I didn't wipe the ball off.
That's not even close. That's like you're not even worried about it.
I held my form on that one. Was that better, Ed? Posted my shot. At least I post my arm. The rest of it doesn't ever stay. All right, here we go. Oh, that's not good. Oh, blow the 5.
It's just meant to be. My problem is, I don't think I'm gonna strike this entire match. Except for this shot.
I think you threw 1 in practice. That's pretty good. Oh, and look at that. Really?
That was my only strike.
My pocket's starting to feel a little lighter.
That was high flush.
That was awesome.
A no doubter, as they say. If I could get a couple more of those. A double here?
If you double, I'm gonna be nervous.
Oh, that fell off my hand. Oh, if I could get a couple more of those. That's where, there it is. There's the gutter.
But you're on a strike though.
Thanks.
So as I tell Christian, don't panic, you're on a strike.
I'm already panicking. The panic set in the second I dropped it off my hand.
Hey, I threw a double gutter last night on a strike. Oh, your first open frame.
I know.
How do you feel?
I feel okay, because it was after a strike, I got 9. That frame was just a roller coaster of emotions. I knew once I got around that second one, we were good.
Oh, that's pretty good. Get up the hill. Oh!
My God.
That was a good adjustment.
That was huge.
What are you, ambidextrous?
I am. Packy's trying to earn this.
Looks like I might have to quit.
All right. Now we got these guys arguing back here.
We got some fans chirping in the back.
Oh, that could be another one. That could be another one. Oh,
The Ripper 10.
come on.
Is that a big check over there, Chris?
To be fair, I needed that.
Really?
Needed that. Keep it close. I'll be down like 10, 15.
Get there.
Oh boy.
No.
I needed that too.
I thought the purple hammer hooks on everything.
It does. It does. You just gotta, you threw that one 13. You gotta throw that one like 5.
And I threw it in the middle of the lane. All right, Sean Rash.
Gotta visualize my shot.
All right, Sean Rash.
Almost fell on my face. I tripped over my feet.
We didn't know which ones are supposed to go which way.
No. I think I started with the wrong one.
Oh, baby, I'm starting to feel it now.
Here we go.
I feel the money going back into my pocket.
My tour dreams are leaving me. I think I'm going back up.
I think you got a good chance.
Oh,
Could the ball hit both?
flop it sideways.
Oh my God.
All right.
Did the wind knock over the head pin?
I don't know if I threw it fast enough to get the wind behind it. 12.
Well, you can only get to 198 now. Whew.
Bonus out the window.
500.
I got ahead of myself those first 3
That
frames.
500 is feeling really much. I feel much better. Much better. That looks
That's
pretty
pretty
good.
I mean, it was the same break for you. I don't feel too bad.
Here comes the knockout. I'm sorry. I laughed so much I moved the
Oh, that almost went in the gutter, and then it went in the other gutter.
I want to get to 200. Do I get $500 if I get 200?
What? Chris, I bowl on tour. Oh, there we go. It doesn't seem like 200 is even a stretch for you.
I haven't bowled left-handed like in probably about a year. No, I bowled Christian one. I bowled my son. Once in a while I bowl Christian left-handed because I don't want to bowl him right-handed.
You don't want to make him feel too bad.
Yeah, something like that. All right, here we go.
Scoring update, we got 117 in the 8th versus 120 in the 7th with a
Oh,
strike.
that's got a chance.
And that's probably a double.
No, baby.
Oh my God.
That's more doubles than normal.
You hear this guy?
That's more doubles than normal. Time to close this thing out. I need the rest of them to have a chance.
You better start striking.
I got 1 strike. That's all right. I'll take
Do you
it.
always lose on your channel?
I rarely win.
That's got no chance. The backup ball. I'm impressed though you can do that.
Yeah, I mean, it can't get worse than just the regular shot. So I figured might as well try the back.
So I said 140.
I got 137.
And you had 140 easy in the 5th frame working. And now it's going backwards.
Nothing's easy when you're right-handed, Chris.
You have to move your feet.
The transition got to me.
You have to think.
The transition got to me.
Well, that's not bad.
That's pretty close.
That is 10 back.
I got to 150 if I keep it out of the gutter here.
I say you're not done yet.
It feels like 150, but I did throw a gutter this game, so who knows?
I feel like you bowled much better than the score you're going to have.
Yeah, I mean, just like most tournaments, I took a 3-frame stretch where I chose not to bowl.
Is that where we say taking frames off?
Yeah, I took some frames off, that's for sure. A few too many.
The foul ace aren't on, so that's good.
Oh boy.
Resin. All right.
155, I'll take it. That's a good score.
That's actually a good score. I can told you.
not bad.
I targeted you for 140.
I made you keep it on the lane.
That's got a chance. That's got a chance. That's got a chance.
Some good count for 200. How's it feel to know that the left side's just so easy at nutmeg?
The fact that I don't have to look where I'm standing. Where tonight, when I bowl right-handed, I'm gonna be like focusing on every shot. Well, that's got another one. Messenger!
Oh.
I shot 200. Do I get the bonus? Out of my own pocket? Oh, I missed it. But that's okay.
Hey, a true lefty never makes his 7-pins.
That's because they strike enough to make up for it.
That's what I'm saying. You miss a 7-pin, 3-bagger.
Well, it was a little closer than I thought it would be.
I mean, it was close going into like the 7th.
The left lane tricked me a little bit because it was a lot tighter.
See, the left lane tricked me a little bit because it was a lot more hook. I don't know if anything was more hook or if it was just me throwing it.
That was pretty fun though.
All right, you ready? Ready? Oh my God, yeah, it's like we're bowling a tournament. You got a check, a trophy, you got it all. Yeah.
I finally won something. I finally won.
Yeah, and I, per usual, lose every challenge on the channel. Chris, and it was fun bowling. It was a nice match, and hopefully that's the last time I have to bowl right-handed on the channel because I know it's not getting any better than that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys sticking around all the way to the end, watching this silly little match between me and Chris. I hope you guys enjoy it, and feel free to comment down below if you guys got any ideas for our next match. And until then,
hit that subscribe button.
peace.